This MIFLUS WB17T10006 terminal block kit comes as a complete set with matching 6-inch and 8-inch surface elements, so you can refresh an entire electric cooktop in one go. The included burner elements use durable stainless alloys and efficient heat-conducting materials, giving fast, even heating that makes everyday cooking feel smoother and more predictable. Each element arrives with a protective coating that burns off during first use, helping the parts reach you without shipping scratches or bent coils. The terminal blocks are designed to address common issues like burners that will not start or will not heat, often restoring reliable performance to aging ranges. Installation is straightforward for a careful do-it-yourself owner who disconnects power and follows basic safety steps, making this kit a practical alternative to a service call. The kit is built to match many General Electric, Hotpoint, and Kenmore models, which makes it a versatile choice when you want compatible replacement parts from a single package.